Guys, Joe Baker with Trade Pilot Pro. Going to go over what I'm seeing in the marketplace right now, and what I'm seeing right now, I've mentioned many times. This is that ABC structure that I've been talking about. For those of you that have watched the videos, you know I've talked about this, and I've said what scares me about this whole pattern is this A to B portion and this C to D portion. This is a Fibonacci ABC wave down. Okay, so you get your 1442, 1275 equals 241 points down from your A portion to B portion. We had a 113 point rise. Okay, that's your retracement. Now we take the 241 minus 1313, and we have a target of 1172. I've been mentioning on this weeklies for weeks now, that we have been in a downtrend, and these, you have to understand, for those of you that don't and not aware of the Andrews pitchfork and Alan Andrews and how much money he made using these fork systems, I would definitely just Google it, look it up. Millions and millions. They are a wonderful tool, and they definitely keep you on the right side of the trend. And this has not failed yet. I've been saying for a long time, watch these forks. We're still in a downtrend. I even said one day we could run right back up to the 53 and still be a downtrend, and we went right back up to 53. Okay, it gives you the highs, the lows, the range. So this has not failed me at all. I have remained bearish. I have said this over and over, time and time. These banks, these brokerages, I know the paper that's in them, and I know the poison we are spreading throughout the world, and how much leverage is out there that has to be unwound, and this is unprecedented. Okay, so don't be a cowboy and try to buy this market. If you don't have to trade it, don't. Take a break. Maybe do some options, but you understand when you do the options right now, you're paying right now through the nose due to the volatility. So again, there really is no safe place to hide. So even if we go sideways, you'll get killed when the volatility reduces. Even if you're right on price, you can be wrong on the meaning right on price in the market, and still lose money on options with these volatility spikes. So you have to get in early on these. And so I'm just saying, if you have to trade them, trade carefully. Be very careful till we get to this 1072 area. It could be weeks, it could be days, it could be tomorrow. Who knows? Nobody knows. And that I'm willing to admit. Nobody knows. Let me just give you something that is a glimmer of hope. And just let me pause one moment. Okay, this is the chart of the VIX. And you've noticed once the VIX makes a high, the market tends to recover some. VIX made a high, market tended to recover some. VIX made a high, market tended to recover some. VIX made a high, market recovered some. VIX, so forth and so on. Now we've made another high. Is this market going to recover? It may. Okay, it may come down. It may hit the 1150 area and go sideways for a few days or a week, or maybe another trading range, and then ultimately get down there maybe 3-4 weeks from now. Who knows? One thing I do want to point out to you, that every single time we've made a spike in the VIX, we did recover. But we also made lower lows each and every time. Okay? So even if we do go sideways, we're still in a downtrend, and I ultimately do think we'll hit that 1072. And I don't want you to be standing in front of this freight train. There's a lot of positions that have to be unwound, and I don't think anyone, and I mean anyone, knows what type of reaction the market's going to take once these positions either are transferred or have to be called in or unwound. Some of these positions that AIG has and Lehman are huge, as well as Merrill being, with Bank of America. There's a lot of stuff that has to be unwound. Please do not get in the way of this, okay? It could create volatility to the upside and to the downside. What I am going to start doing is We're revamping our website, and I'm going to start doing a lot of videos on how we trade this intraday and the indicators we use. I know there's a lot of people out there that read price action and say indicators are lagging and this and that, but I'm going to try to provide a video library for all of you with an amazing amount of content coming forward. It will be probably within the next 3 to 4 weeks, but I just want to let you know. Again, you can get my levels. All you have to do is sign up over at our blog, and they will come to you. They already went out earlier this evening, and let's go over them for tomorrow. Okay, here we go, guys. Line in the sand, the old 1200. Above that, we're looking for 1204.50, 1207, 1212.50, 1220 and a quarter. Ultimate target, 1225.50. Underneath, 1194, 1188 and a quarter, 1185 and a quarter is our breakdown. 1181, 1178, 1172.50 area, 1169 and a quarter, ultimately 1164.75 target. Okay, folks, again, we run a trading room. All you have to do is send me an email. I'll be more than happy to give you a pass, we show the indicators we use, we show how we navigate this market throughout the day, and as well as if you want to just go ahead and sign up over at the blog, which is over the left hand side of the page, just put your email address in and you will get basically this picture that you'll be able to print and just leave next to your computer just for guidance. Okay, all right, guys, please again be careful. This is not a time to prove your bravery. Okay, this is like capital preservation time, because we will get a buying opportunity. We are going to get some bounces, but you know where my target lies, and I cannot stress to you enough. If you can just go out and golf and spend some time with your family during this time, I think you'll appreciate it later. All right, guys, take care and have a great night.